Hi guys, it's Mesa with Polish It Off, and I bought some of these Levi Strauss denim jeans in red. I bought about 25 pairs of them off of another reseller. She had gotten them from a Western store. So there's a stack of them, and what I noticed is that there's a little bit of fading where the light was hitting in the store, possibly in a store window. Right along this edge on every single pair there is some fading, which probably when you wash them, the fading that will happen in the rest of the denim might compensate and just hide that pretty well. But what I decided to do, instead of trying to move 25 pairs of mostly women's size 7 and size 9, instead of trying to move plain pairs, I thought I would make them more unique. And I started a bleach project. You can see here that I did bleach. What I used was, on this, normally I use 100% bleach and a really fine mister. But this time I wanted more saturation, and I wanted a less crisp line than if I'm masking with lace or something like you've seen me do in other videos. So I did go ahead and water down the bleach. I used cotton twine from probably the dollar store, and these little cereal buckets that my son's little school lunches and things come in. I used those and I put them into the cuffs of these pants. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. I haven't shown the whole thing yet. And then, so I bleached really heavily. Well, not really heavily, but you know. I bleached them moderately heavy. They weren't like saturated, because you can see up inside it didn't flow through. These have already been through the washer to stop the bleaching process. So now what I have to do is clip these little things and find out what kind of striations and patterns we were able to get in the pant legs. What do you guys think? I really like them. I really like how these turned out. Ooh, 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 look at that. It looks so good. Okay, guys, in the comments, let me know what you're thinking about this, and how many more pairs should I do like this.